Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Storm King. And for this video, I'll be also drawing the baby version as well. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes, which is going to be very easy, just basically like a little triangle. We'll start out with the top, just two slants first. And then on the sides, just come down. And then close it off for a little triangle. Okay, so the shapes are going to be very basic. So after this, let's draw in, come down and draw in his teeth right here. From the side of the eye, just come down. Just draw like a little angle like this. That's going to be one of his fangs, I guess. Come down here on the side. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. Horizontal line. Okay, and then now I can draw on the side of the head right here. So right on the top, just gonna draw one little short line, and then I'm gonna come down from the sides, right over the eyes. Okay, and then the space in here, just slant down and then just hook it up. So slant and then go up and connect that. Alright, so now let's draw in the jaw. So right at this line right here, just draw one more. Same line right underneath. From the corner here, just curve down. So we're going to have his mouth open, so it's going to be a little bit wider here. Okay, once we have this, we're going to draw in the lower fangs. Just come up. And then go back down. And then in the middle here, just go up and then close it off. I notice the lower jaw's got a lot of strange angles. Alright, and then now we can fill in the rest of the face here. So on the side here, this part's gonna flare out. It's got a really wide jaw. Just come out right around here. And then it's come down, just kind of hook it in. And then from here, give a little bit of space right here. It's got a really big chin. Let's come down and then close it off. Alright, so for his horn, right in the corner here, I'm just gonna slant it up slightly. And I'm just gonna go across. And then on this part on the bottom, just kind of go out straight past this point and just close it off with a slight slant. And we're just adding some details right here, right on this corner here. I'm just going to draw in a line coming down, and then let's just add one more. Okay, so continuing out, let's see, let's just go straight across first. And let's try to do it both sides at the same time. Okay, so go out, and then on the corner, we're gonna hook it back in. Now I'm gonna go back to the bottom here. Just kind of curve up. And then go all the way out, just come down. Let's go all the way out right around here. Just come back up to that point. So dip it down and then just go all the way up. And then from this point here, just go up. Just kind of curve it to right around there. I know this is the trickiest part. And we'll stop right there, and then we'll just continue with this line here, because it's kind of going over. Okay, and then now for the last part, for this horn, just from here, just curve, one big curve going out. So the hard part is just try to draw the same thing on the other side. So don't worry if it's not symmetrical. It's very hard to make things symmetrical. Alright, and then once we have this, on right here, just go out. And then whatever space here, just start on the top. Just kind of curve it back down. So a lot sharper on the tip. Just come down and just connect that. Okay, so those for the horns, and now let's move on to the body. And the body's a little bit easier compared to the horns. Okay, so we're gonna start out right in the middle here. Just draw like a little sharp angle coming down first. And then on the shoulders here, nice and wide. And then just come in to that center point. Okay, and then for some details, just draw one little curve inside here for his neck muscles. And then right underneath, he's got some crystals, so I'm just gonna draw in two little lines like this and just come in toward the center. And let's just add in a couple more crystal shapes. Okay, so now let's draw in his really wide shoulder here. So right here, just curve all the way down. So really big arc. Okay, and then start right about here. Just curve and just kind of give it a little bit of a wavy shape here. So curve this way and then it's kind of curve back the other way and just connect that. And then on the center here, this right on the corner, just curve this part down. Alright, and then for the chest muscles, just start right around here. Just curve toward the crystal. And there's a lot of big shapes and curves. So here's the armpit. So we're gonna curve this one in. It's got a really small waist. And then for his waist, just kind of come down. So the bottom part is gonna be that little storm tornado thing. So we'll just stop right here first. Okay, in the center, just come down. We're gonna add some details here on the abs. One line across, and then just come down. And then just continue with this line. Again, we'll just stop everything here. Alright, so now let's finish up the arms and then we'll add in all those little cool details on this character. Alright, so for his arms, we're gonna have his fist right here. So just from the corner of this, just come down. Just draw a little arc like this first. So just come out, draw a little arc. And then just kind of draw like a little rectangle, slightly rounded. Okay, and then in the middle here, so these are his fingers. Right in the middle, add one line, and then divide up one more time. And then for his thumb right here, just draw a little curve. Okay, and then to finish up the forearm, start here, just curve, start here, and just curve. And then now we just connect it, so this is gonna be the bicep. So right here, just come down and connect that. And for this part, just come here, just curve and connect to this. And we can add a little bit more detail here from the corner. Just for more musculature. Alright, so pretty much the same thing on the other side. So again, from the corners of this, just come down. Let's draw one line first. And then now we just make this into like a rectangle, slightly rounded. So just use the other side for reference. Okay, center line, and then divide it up one more time. And then for his thumb right here, just curve. Okay, and then for the forearm, start on the bottom here, curve up, just close that out. And then again, just connect this, curve, start over here, and let's add in the same detail here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the body. Now let's add in all those cool little details. So it's got a bunch of little, looks like crystals coming out here as well. So on the shoulder, we'll just add in some of these blocky shapes. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these things coming out of his body. And they're not that sharp, that's why I'm making the tips a little bit flatter. But we can also make it sharper too, so it all works. Okay, and then on inside his body, it's got those little markings. So right here, just kind of come out, just kind of twirl it in. So one straight line, and then just kind of go out, come back in. So same thing here. You can start right here, just curl. And let's add a couple more here. Okay, and then lastly, for the tornado effect here, we'll just keep it simple. Just start on the waist here. Just drawing one little curve, just a little bracket first. And then let's just keep going. So just bracket, bracket. And then once you have this, on this side, just draw one line going down. Almost looks like some kind of ice cream cone, right? Okay. And then right here on this part, we're gonna go up. So it looks like it's twirling. Alright, so let's draw the baby version of this, and to begin we're going to start out with the eyes again. So this time we're just going to curve a little bit more for the eyes. Come down the sides, and then just close off the bottom. Now we're going to draw the top of the head, so let's draw one line across first. And then on the side here, just come down right over the eyes. And then we're gonna go slant down. So this is gonna be part of his fangs right here. Just go up. And then we'll close that off. Alright, so that's the top half, and then now for the jaw. Just come right here, we're gonna draw one line again, slant all the way down. And then for the fangs, the bottom, and then close that off. And then for the jaw, we just flare this out, and we'll come back in toward the center, and then just close it off. So that's gonna give us the head. Now let's draw the horn. So this one's gonna be a little bit smaller. From the top, just curve up. So come across and just curve. Just try to make it symmetrical if you can. I know it's always very hard to make things symmetrical. Alright, and then from here, let's draw like a little tip right here. It's gonna have a smaller horn. And now we're gonna curve all the way back. So just go out, a little bit wider, and then come back in, just come back into the head. And let's add a couple of lines here for details. Alright, so let's keep it simple and let's move on to the body. Right in the center here, we're going to draw one little crystal. Just come down and then close it off nice and sharp. And then now we can draw in the shoulder and the neck area. So right here, just draw one curve. It's one big bump. And then curve it into the crystal. And we can add a little bit more detail right here. Let's draw two little curves. Alright, so now let's continue on with the arms. Okay, just curve out. And then come back toward the center again. Okay, so here's his armpit right here. I know it's a little bit strange. Make two little marks, and then for this lower body here, or his belly area, we just curve it down. So just like a little bow shape. And then let's add in some detail here for his tummy area. One line across, and then we'll just curve it down. Okay, and then for his arms, so again, here's his armpit. Curve down, right here. Curve, so that's gonna be his wrist. And then for his hand, just come down with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. And then just curve this right into the thumb. Okay, so here's the armpit. Curve. Here's the wrist. Little hook for the thumb, and then back of the fist. And then just curve it right into the thumb. Alright, and before we draw in the little tornado thing, let's add a little bit more detail right here. Just some spikes. Make it a little bit more menacing. Okay, so just a couple of spikes here and there. And then for the little markings on his body, just start right here. Just draw a little twirl. I think there's one over here too, so just come out. So same thing, but just a little bit more squashed. Okay, and then for the little tornado thing on the bottom, just come down, big arc, and then a smaller one right here. Now this one's gonna go over this. And we're gonna start on this side now, just come over. Continue down and then just close it off. And that is it for my versions of the Storm King. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.